Hey everyone, if you want to use Microsoft Word Online with OneDrive in 2026 so you can create, edit, and save documents from anywhere, this video is for you. I'll show you step by step how to do it. First, open Microsoft OneDrive and sign in with your Microsoft account. This is where all your online files will be stored safely in the cloud. Next, open Microsoft Word Online using your browser. You don't need to install anything, just use it directly from the web. Now click on New Blank Document. This automatically creates and saves your file inside OneDrive. After that, start typing your content. Everything you write is saved automatically in real time, so you don't need to press save. Next, you can access your document from any device. Whether it's a laptop, phone, or tablet, your files stay synced. Now use the share option to send your document. You can share a link instead of sending files manually. After that, invite others to edit your document. This allows real-time collaboration with multiple people. Finally, download your file as Word or PDF if needed. You can also save a copy on your device anytime. So yeah, that's how you use Microsoft Word Online with OneDrive in 2026. Follow each step carefully and you'll be able to work from anywhere easily. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more productivity tutorials for fast and simple guides. Hey everyone!